What's going on YouTube? I got a quick video for you. Today is about making money online. Today's topic is about the easiest way to make money online. My name is Tyrone, by the way. I'm sorry about the I didn't enter my name, but the easiest way to make money online, to me, the easiest way. I'm talking about easy, free, don't cost no money, not a lot of time. You could do it anywhere. I'm talking about you could do it at work, home. It's YouTube. YouTube is probably the easiest way to make money online. It's one of the easiest way. I'm in my car right now. I am on my break at work, and I'm gonna shoot this video right now in my car on my lunch break. After I finish this video, I'm uploading to YouTube. That's the easiest way to make money online. I mean, it's not costing no money. Everybody got a smartphone. Everybody has internet access. And I can literally post a video in the next 10 minutes and it's live on YouTube. From my car, at my job, parking lot, on my lunch break. You know what I'm saying? I can make a video while I'm driving to work. I can make a video while I'm going home from work. I don't like the way I sound videos sometimes. I don't like, I make mistakes and I stutter a little bit, but who cares, Everybody makes mistakes on camera and whatever, so don't even worry about that. The ultimate goal is to make more videos, so don't let discourage you making videos. I tell other people, if you're scrambling for a little bit of money, make some YouTube videos. You have a smartphone, you got a Galaxy S9 or 8, you got an iPhone 5 or 6, create videos. Talk about something. I told them, one person, make a video about Tide detergent. You know what I'm saying? Take the Tide detergent and do a video about it. You know what I'm saying? Do a video. Take the stuff you already have at home and do a video. Sign up to be an affiliate for Amazon and put the link in the description box. Do videos. You do enough videos and enough subscribers, you can set up AdSense and make a little bit of money in videos. Easiest thing to do is to do YouTube videos. And I don't care if I don't sound right, or I might look at the camera all the time, or if I'm gonna still create videos. And my goal is to do 2 a day. I've been doing 2 a day all week. I'm gonna try to stick to that number. 2 a day. Just create videos about family, create videos about online business, create videos about motivation. That's my thing. I do my keto diet, I do videos about that. Anything in personal life you're going through, talk about that on YouTube. And hit stop, upload to YouTube, and that's it. It's the slowest way to make money, but it's not costing no money. And it's free. Everybody got a smartphone. Everybody's on YouTube. You should get on there also. So, to make money online, get on YouTube. Get on YouTube and start making videos. That's probably the best and easy way to make money online. Okay? So this is Tyrone for TheXKing.com, and I'll see you next time.